Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow Tyrannosaurus Rex poppet. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw his head. His mouth full of sharp and pointy teeth. I continue with his body and legs. His tail. Finally, draw spikes on it. Now, let's divide his whole head with vertical lines like this, from top to bottom. Finally, let's draw small circles on all the lanes. Very nice! Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red at the top. Then I use orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, fuchsia. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.